Bizarre medical twist. Stephen coughed up a tumor. A teenage cancer patient, Stephen, who took Facebook by storm posting Stephen's story, last week posted a final thumbs up on his page as he was doubtful of his life. Tumors caused one of his lungs to collapse and he was rushed to the hospital, where he was permanently hooked up an oxygen machine. However, in latest edition, he revealed his health has taken a turn for the better after he coughed up a tumor, and he says he's feeling fantastic. Seems everything is going so well with the positive teenager. As he was battling with cancer, Stephen's story went viral and crossed £3 million mark for Teenage Cancer Trust. In less than 24 hours, he smashed his target of raising £1 million, and yesterday that total climbed up to £2.5 million.
You can't give me your time to make me live longer, but what I can try and do is to give you a bit of my motivation, to go out there and achieve something, to go out there and help others, to go out there and enjoy life, to continue the work of a foundation. And I'm going to say once more, to make a difference.